him, and they put him back in. They just asked me because I already talked about it because I used to work on it back in the night.
Day out, making it happen right here at historic Quonset Point. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we would ask that you would sit back in your seats. Put your tray tables in the upright position and your drinks.
Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit again.
51 Mustang, ladies and gentlemen, Mark Murphy, and never miss.
Alright. You're picking up officer rotors straight down those. Trading off that last minute altitude for some airspeed and energy. Now watch closely as Jeff pulls up the air show center. The old Barnstormer's Loop in a series of 450 horse on the Grand Whitney. Strictly out of curiosity, what would happen if you...
You can find out more about Shockwave at Facebook.com/Shockwave Jet Truck.
Alrighty, now from here show right, ladies and gentlemen, talk about a top speed of 250. Jeff's gonna slow things down, and we're gonna park the aircraft at Air Show Center.
Oh, come on.
Pulling up to zero airspeed configuration. Watch closely, working right off the deck. He's got Chris starting on his head. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Slow things down.
Show 4, 2, 1, race on! Oh, my goodness, here we go. Well, over 100 Here is taxiing these two Rhode Island Guard C-130 chasers. They'll be taking off here momentarily for the world-famous National Guard Open House and Air Show. Thank you. Check it out. The herd is on the roll. Let's watch.
Didn't take them long to get up in the air.
-1 to 8 times his normal weight. Ladies and gentlemen, your United States Navy F-18.